Creating an online course might sound complicated if you're not tech savvy, but it doesn't have to be. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create your own course, step by step, without needing any advanced tech skills. First, let's start with the basics. You don't need to know how to code or design websites to get your course online. All you need is a platform that makes it easy to upload your content, and that's what I'm going to show you today. The software we'll be using is simple, and it'll handle all the technical stuff for you. Now, let's get into the first step. Planning your course. Think about what you're passionate about or what you have expertise in. What can you teach others that will provide real value? Focus on breaking down your topic into smaller, digestible chunks. This will help your students follow along easily. Once you've got your course content planned out, it's time to create it. You don't need fancy equipment. Your phone, a basic camera, or even your computer's webcam will work just fine. Start recording your lessons, whether it's a video, a PowerPoint presentation, or an audio lesson. The key here is to keep it simple and to stay focused on providing value. After you've got your lessons ready, it's time to upload them to our software. The platform will automatically organize your videos, quizzes, and any downloadable materials you want to include. No complicated tech setups, no stress. The software will handle it all behind the scenes. And if you're wondering how to market your course, don't worry. Most course platforms have built-in marketing tools to help you get started. You can create landing pages, set up automated emails, and even add payment options all within the platform. If you're ready to start your course, I've got an exclusive offer for you. In the description below, you'll find a link to a free trial of the software we're using today. It's only available to my viewers, so take advantage of it and follow along. The free trial will help you get your course online in no time without worrying about tech issues. Key takeaway: you don't need to be a tech expert to create an online course. All you need is a clear plan, simple tools, and the right platform to get everything set up. Keep your course focused and simple, and the software will handle the rest. To recap, the steps are: 1. Plan your course content. 2. Create your lessons with basic equipment. 3. Upload your content to the software. And 4. Use the marketing tools available to get your course out there. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below and get started today. Thanks for watching.